Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to know Wi-Fi MAC address in your itel S15 mobile phones. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your itel S15 mobile phone. Okay guys, sir, in settings, okay. Go to network connections. Okay, click network connection. And okay guys, here and network and connection, okay, click Wi-Fi. And okay guys, here in Wi-Fi, okay, you can see the Wi-Fi preferences. Okay, you all have to do is click this. And okay guys, here and Wi-Fi preferences, okay, you can see below the MAC address. Okay, this is the MAC address of your Wi-Fi in your itel S15 mobile phone. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.